don't know what year it came out. It says there in Roman numerals. I'm just looking. It looks like, I don't know, I could say 89, something like that, maybe 84. So yeah, it's cool film. Like I said, I had to take it apart to get it working. Bloody security screws. It was a squealer. Squeal boy. But I got it working. Anyway, I'm just waffling. Thanks for watching. That's all I've got to say. Thanks for watching. If you've watched this far, what's wrong with you? Again, thanks. I hope you got something out of this. And thanks for sticking around if you have watched this far. It is cool. I'm just trying to soak it in as much as I can, because like I say, it's going to have to go back in its box. So it's good night from me, and it's good night from him. Good night.